In this video, we're going to show you how to install the ignition coil boot on your Hyundai Elantra located on the top of your engine. Now with the hood open, we want to go ahead and remove our engine cover here. You're going to gently grab the corners. Lift up. When you pull this up, you have these sockets right here, the rubber sockets that you're pulling off of the metal studs. Go ahead and set that aside. We want to go ahead and remove the wiring harnesses off of our ignition coils. On this particular model, it has these gray little lock tabs on there, so you can use a pocket screwdriver. Sometimes you can use your finger, but what you want to do is you want to get into this little notch here and push it back. And once that lock tab is pushed back, you can now pinch it down and then wiggle that connector off, like so. You're going to repeat this process for the other three. Good, pull that harness to the side. There is a series of 10mm bolts. We're going to use our socket, loosen and remove. Grab that coil and go ahead and twist that and pull it up. You can go ahead and grab that bolt, set that aside, and then pull your coil out. Repeat that process for the other three. Now we're going to go ahead and swap over our new boot to the old one here. I'm going to grab our coil. You want to grab this and just firmly grab and twist and separate the two, pulling them apart. Now inside the new boot here, it has the coil spring inside. You do want to make sure that is there, and it's going to go up inside of the coil. Go ahead and line that up. Simply push it on and twist it. Make sure that it's fully seated all the way around the perimeter. Now our component is ready to install. Now what I'm going to do is take a little bit of silicone paste and just put a little bit on the end inside the boot here. Go ahead and take your coil and drop it down inside. You're going to go ahead and repeat this process for the others. Now you do want to pay attention to when you're installing these here. Make sure you don't throw all the bolts in at the same time. We do have to rotate our coils just a little bit to get the bolts in. Go ahead and get those started. And just do this for all four. Once we have all those bolts started, let's go ahead and snug them down. Just bottom up the bolts here. You don't have to tighten them much further than that. Nice and gentle. At this point here, you can bring your harness around and go ahead and connect these. You want to push those on. You're going to hear it click, and if you have the locking tab, push it down. Push it down to lock it in. Install the engine cover, placing the ball studs in each of the rubber grommets. Normally you can locate the two rubber grommets on the front with your hands. Lower it down. Once you line them up, press them down, and then the two back ones will automatically line up. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.